Take this and put it inside that handle, like that. Yep, that's it. Perfect. Now, yeah, grab it there and take this hand and grab right here. There you go. Pull back and let go. Perfect. Now, don't point at me. Now, good job. That gun's ready to go. You can shoot it. Now, what you're going to do is make it safe. It's called clearing it. So what do you have to take out of a car to make it not go? The gas. So how do you take the bullets out of that gun?
You take out the magazine.
You're going to take the magazine out. So you see this button right here?
Yeah.
Push that button. I know it's hard to push. Can
Here,
it help you?
push it with your thumb. Yeah.
Push it with your thumb. There you go. Lay that magazine on the table. Good job. Now, you're going to grab this right here again. Now you're going to pull it back. Pull it all the way back. There you go. Let it go. Now, it's safe. Shake it so that thing falls out. Now, look right here. Make sure there's no bullet in there. Then you lay it down. You just loaded and cleared a real gun. Good job, dude.
Good job, Aiden.